I send the picture.
Yes, yes, I'm looking at the picture. Yes. You trade on the anomalies?
I tried that, but I when I going to trade, I confusing.
Okay, you are
So
confused. Okay, just I look at the trades that then I will talk on the trades. Okay, here.
okay.
Okay, 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 okay. So we covered the topic upthrust and downthrust, I think.
Yes, yes, yes. Uptrust and downtrust and pseudo uptrust and pseudo downtrust.
Okay. So this signal is not related to the any pseudo or upthrust or downthrust. Okay. Or
Okay.
any type of VSA signal which I teach you, it's not related. Okay. That is another thing. Okay.
Okay.
Which
So
signal?
this one,
Hmm.
this inverted hammer, the red color, is it?
This one? This
The, yes. Yeah. That is
no, brother.
inverted hammer.
How we will
Okay.
take the signal? Look at the downthrust signal when you are in the impulsive wave and you
Okay.
got a corrective wave. So here the
Okay.
candles appeared like that, and here this candle appeared. Okay. So volume
Okay.
increased from previous R bar. So now you have to take on if there is a support level here, or the support level is here. So you have to take the 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute signal from here, from here.
Okay. Okay.
But
Okay.
you must be in the uptrend. You must be in
Okay.
the
Okay.
uptrend.
And the candle color also red color, right?
Color also red, and after 2 to 3 candle you will find here, not here. Here you will find. Here the signal will be changed different. Still, I did not teach you that signal. The signal is
Okay. Okay.
here. So this corrective wave end here. You found a signal. You take you place a trade for 5 minutes, or 3 minutes, or 4 minutes. Okay, but you are where
Okay.
you are after impulsive wave. You got a corrective wave, and you are in the uptrend. Okay,
Yeah.
so that
Okay. Okay.
then you can take the signal. So here you are not in the uptrend, and there is no any downthrust signal, or there is no any upthrust signal. You placed a put option here. There is no any sign of the put option.
Okay.
So you can take signal here if there is a signal. Then you can place a put option here, not here.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so that will be the I will clear you. So all the signals there is a little bit understanding about the signals, so I'm going to show you the how you will take the signal. These all the signals are very different from the setups. All the signals are different from the setups. They are not matching to my setups which I teach you. Okay, so I'm going
Okay.
to
Okay.
show you how you will take the signal.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, so we are in the uptrend here. Okay,
Yes.
we are in the uptrend. Okay, if there is the this type of signal here, the volume decreased from previous 2 bar or volume increased from all the bars, then you have to place a trade here for 5 minutes. It will goes up. You know that you are in the
Yes.
uptrend. You are in the uptrend.
Yes.
That is a corrective wave. After corrective wave, when you got a weak signal from the sellers or sellers are getting weak, then you go with the buyers because you are in the uptrend. Buyers will continue the uptrend. Okay,
Okay.
and again I will show you some
And
settings.
here, here also I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Can you move to that one? That chart.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
This one. So normally this is a impulsive move and corrective move. Here I got signal.
Hmm.
This is
Not
this
on the
three candle.
not on the first candle. After red candle, when it start after 3 to 4 candle, or on the third candle, or on the fourth candle, you will find the signal.
Okay. 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 Okay.
This type of signal, but there are so many other signals. They will be changed from this signal. This signal you must find after 2 to 3 bars. After 2 bar,
Okay.
on the third bar, or on the fourth bar, or on the fifth bar, on the sixth bar, so on. Okay.
Okay. This candle will be spinning top, hammer, or anything, right?
This type of candle, this type of, this type of, this type of, three candles you will find. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So, so here you are finding the signal on the second bar. So you must wait for the third bar, because you know that in the corrective wave, 2 to 3 bar we will find, then we will find the green candles. Okay. So I will give you so many examples, then you will understand good.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Sure.
So here I'm in the uptrend now. From here, I think that the 50 moving average is below the candles, so that is uptrend. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So you look at, is that is a downthrust signal. The volume is ultra high from the previous bars. Okay.
Okay.
So you can take a signal, because 50 moving average act as a support level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it a winning trade? Okay.
Yes.
And now again you wait for the wave. Okay. So again wave, your this type of signal, when you find, there are so many signals. There are, in this wave there is a signal, there is a signal, but as related to the down thrust. So look at, again we found, so this whole wave what shows? This whole wave shows that is a corrective wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 candle. So that is a candle. Now because that is a clear wave, that is not a clear wave, that is not a clear wave, that is a wave, that is a wave, and that is a wave. Okay. So in this wave,
Okay.
do you find a signal, a down thrust
Ye-
here? So now you have to
Yes.
look at, that is a support and that is a support. Okay. So
Yes.
on this support, and that is a moving average, if we are taking the high, so high moving average will be like that, like that. Okay. The
Okay.
50 moving average high. So you can take 5 minute trade. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going up. So in the uptrend,
Okay.
and look at again, I'm just looking at the signal. So now
Okay.
the uptrend is broken here. The uptrend is broken. 50
Okay.
moving average.
Okay.
So there is no uptrend now. Maybe there is a range market, or the new trend will begin from here. Okay. So now
Okay.
the new trend starts. So there is an upthrust signal, 1, 2, 3, 4 candle. Okay. So if there is an
Okay.
upthrust signal and the volume is ultra high, or volume is low from previous 2 bars, pseudo upthrust, then you have to take for the 5 minutes. Even it's going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you know that that is a corrective wave.
Yes.
That is a corrective.
Yes.
That is an
Yes.
impulsive, and that is a corrective. On the corrective wave, you found the upthrust signal. So now market is going down, because you know that when the new impulsive wave will start, so it will create a 7 to 8 candles. So you are taking
Yes.
only 5 minute trade, and you know that there is a resistance level also. So there is
Yes.
no need to go on the 50 moving average, because there is round number, there is resistance. Okay.
Yes.
Once
Yes.
again, there is a, it's looking like a spinning top, but there is no setup. But look at, market is going down. Again I got a pseudo upthrust signal like that on the round number. Okay. So I can place trade
Yes.
from here, and that is a, it's looking a pseudo upthrust, and I know that I am in the downtrend, and that is a corrective wave. Okay. So
Yes.
no, there is no need to so much confirmation. So I am in the downtrend, that is a corrective wave, and that corrective wave losing the momentum on the round number, and the signal appear on the round number. So I can place a 5 minute at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at how candles going down. If you taking the correct setup, you will got so many good setups. If you are taking not correct
Okay.
setups, then maybe you will find. So now the strategy, the one signal we got here, the second signal we got here, the third signal we got here. In one trend only, we
Yeah.
will take only 3 setups, not more than 3 setups. The fourth setup when appear, you will see the trend will change the direction. You know that impulsive wave have a 3 waves, 1, 2,
Yes.
3,
Yes.
and 3. So the fourth wave is a risky wave. There is a 50-50 probability. Sometime it will work,
Yes.
sometime it will not work, then it will make a loss for you. So only we will
Yes.
take in the downtrend only 3 signals. When you are taking 3 signals, you must confirm that how many times it works from the downtrend. So from here, one time, two time, that is the third time. So only we will take the third time, not on taking on the fourth time. Okay, so if the trend is
Okay.
very strong trend, so much strong trend, there is a news, the effect of the news, so that time we can say that the fourth time we can trade. But the trend market is very normal, so we cannot trade the fourth wave. So fourth wave is another impulsive wave, or maybe there is another corrective of the downtrend, and the new trend will start from there.
Okay. Okay.
So once again, I'm going to share you, because these things are very common with the each and every signal. Okay, so all the things are
Okay.
common to the each and every signal.
Okay.
So here I'm again in the uptrend. Okay, so in the, if I am in
Okay.
the uptrend, so I must follow that the which signal I'm getting. So getting that is a 4 to 5 candle, so that I can say that that is a corrective wave. So in this corrective wave, I can understand maybe there is a signal, this type of, and I'm getting, then I can go for the 5 minute. There is uh, uh, 80 to 90% chances that your trade will close in the
Money.
profit. Why? Because we are in the uptrend. There is an impulsive wave, there is a corrective wave, 50 moving average showing the uptrend, and there is a signal weakness from the sellers, and we are going with the bias and in the favor of the trend. We are going in the favor of the trend, in the direction of the trend. We are not going against in the trend. So there are all the signals I'm taking in the direction of the trend. I'm not taking the reversal trades. That is the direction of the trend trades. So all the trades, these trades also you can find in the downtrend, but they will not work, they will confuse you. That's why I'm suggesting you that only you will take these type of signals only in the uptrend, because you have so many opportunities, so many signals, 40 signals, so you don't put effort on the losing trades or low percentage trades. So we only take, my habit is that only I'm taking more than 80% to 90% confirmation trades. I'm not taking
Okay.
50-50
Okay.
like this. So 50-50 have a
Okay.
50-50 probability. Sometimes I can win, sometimes I can lose. So why I'm losing my real money on these types of trades? So I have an then opportunity of 80 to 90. Then I can consume my effort, my money on the 80 to 90, that I can earn money. So I'm trading for the earning. I'm not trading for the losing. Okay.
Okay.
So now you understand this
Yes.
thing, impulsive wave, corrective wave. Only the bearish signal, when you get a red candle signal, it on the corrective wave in the uptrend. Okay,
It has to be 3 to 4 candles, right?
3 to 4 candles you will see. That signal is
Okay.
another signal. These signals are another. When we reach to these signals, I will tell you that which is that signal. But some
Okay.
signals in the corrective wave, end of the corrective wave. So when the trend, the corrective wave is changing into impulsive wave, before the market will show us a reason. That's will the market can change the into impulsive wave. So when the sellers are getting weak, that is a weak VSS signal. So that's we are understand that market is now preparing for the impulsive wave. So that signal is our pre-signal to understand that this trend, this corrective wave is now getting weak. So now the buyers will again start. Okay, so
Okay.
that is the main thing. So you can use this type of approach also. That is the approach like the trend, and go into a zigzag indicator, and zigzag you can put a 2 percentage 2. So
Okay.
do you see,
Yeah.
when the trend reaches here, even the trend changes, then it will show you this type of line. So this is a showing that that is an impulsive wave, and again it's showing that is an impulsive wave. So you know that you have an idea that impulsive wave, if broken the this lower low, that it means now the trend is going to change the direction.
Yes.
So when trend going to change the direction, so you don't have to need this type of signals here, because we know that we have how many waves in this trend. We got one wave, two wave, three wave. So now the fourth wave is going down. So now again you look at one wave and two wave. So that is a percentage I changed, but there are two impulsive waves in this inside it. Look at, just I'm showing you on the another in this only on the one, and I'm going to change the color. So look at, you will see so many waves. One wave, inside in the big wave there are two waves. Okay, and inside in
Okay.
this wave, one wave and two wave. Okay, so it means there are three
Okay.
waves, they are completed. But now again the new trend starts. That is the first wave, the second wave, and there is the third wave. Again, look at the market is moving, creating the range market. Again, the trend is continuing one wave, the second wave, and then the third wave. Look at again market creating a range market. So again the impulsive wave for the downtrend start one, the second, and the third. Look at the fourth wave, it's creating an impulsive wave in the favor of the buyers, and now the buyers started. Do you understand now?
Yes, yes.
So now we are where we take the signals, we will take the signals on the corrective wave. If we are in the downtrend, we will take the signal on the corrective wave, and if we are in the uptrend, we will take the signal on the corrective wave. So it's a good uh, uh, approach to taking the signals. And if we take all the signals, you know that all the signals are not the true signals. Sometimes we will find the false signals, so we will trap in the signals, and it will decrease our confidence, and also it will give us a bad feeling. So we must understand the impulsive and corrective wave. Okay. So impulsive
Okay.
corrective wave is very important. It's a power. It's a tool for you. So it will give you the good understanding of the signal. Okay. So
Okay. Okay.
now your idea is clear, because when you trade, I understand that where are you are uh, confusing. So now I understand. So that is the thing that always I'm saying, that when you do some works, do some practice, and when you show me, that I can understand where you are weak, so I can give you more information that you can be clear. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
now we yesterday we covered the four signals. Four
Yes.
signals is what, that is these type of signals, and these type of same, and then this type of signal with the high volume and with the low volume also. Okay, and this type
Yes.
of green signals we take, and this type of signal we take, and this type of signal, or maybe this type of signal we take. Okay, so this type when
Okay.
ultra high volume and when volume is low from previous two bars. So these signals we take, and now we are moving to forward. So today our topic is inverse. Okay, so today what is our
Okay.
topic? Our topic all the same concept, only candle shape is changed, and now I'm the upthrust will be inverse upthrust. Pseudo upthrust will
Okay.
be pseudo inverse upthrust, and downthrust will be inverse downthrust, and pseudo downthrust will be pseudo inverse downthrust. So four signal we will learn today, and that the only the name changed, increased in the inverse. Inverse, you know that when we are talking about the hammer candle, when we are talking about this hammer candle, I can when I want to ask you that, tell me that what is the inverted hammer, you will share my idea that if we take it opposite candle, that is the inverted hammer. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
and if this candle is a upthrust candle and I say inverse upthrust, so this candle will be
Hammer is the
this one.
invested. Yes. Yes. Hammer.
Okay, so little bit concept is changed. Here we are upthrust taking, and here inverse upthrust, but in the VS, in the price action, that is a hammer, and that is an inverted hammer. Okay, but in the
Yes.
VS
Okay.
the concept little bit changed. That is a upthrust, and that is the inverse upthrust. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
if I'm talking about this candle, that what will be the opposite candle of this one? Oh, what will be the opposite candle of this one? If that is a hammer type candle, and the opposite candle will be the this one,
Inverted hammer.
inverted hammer. So
Yes.
these two signals will be changed only. So instead of these, this candle, this candle, this candle, if I found this inverted hammer, that is the inverse down thrust.
Okay.
Okay, and instead
Okay.
of this inverted hammer, if I found this one candle, so that is the inverse up thrust. So inverse up thrust have a two more concepts: the pseudo and direct. The pseudo will be the two volume bar, low from two volume bar, and inverse direct will be the ultra high volume. So it will be easy. It's not difficult. So I'm going to chart and show you something here. Look at,
Okay.
so in the downtrend, I will found the inverse upthrust. Okay. So look at, if that is the inverse upthrust signal like that, because that is the upthrust signal, and then that is the inverse. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
So instead of this candle, I'm founding this candle. So that is the inverse. and the
Only I
candles
have to trade this one in downtrend, right?
only downtrend, because downtrend, you know that that is a corrective wave in the downtrend, so this will be surely working.
Okay.
In the uptrend, you know that buyers can be anytime will be stronger. After one candle, when sellers show us weakness, again buyer will get stronger. So in the downtrend, you know that buyers always are weak most of the time on the three waves. So that's why we are taking this signal in the downtrend. Okay, because we have
Okay.
so many signals. So we will use all the signal in the right way. So if this signal I take in the uptrend, if I lose the money, then it's my mistake there. Why I'm taking this signal in the uptrend? Because I know that the power of the buyers are in the uptrend, and I'm going against the buyers. So why I going against the buyers? So most of the traders, they are losing money when they are going against in the trend. So we will never go against the trend. We always go with the trend. When we always go with the trend, and trend will help us. Even if we a little bit we do doing any mistake, the trend will help us. Okay.
Okay.
So look at, instead of this uh, inverted hammer candle, and if that is an inverse candle, so I can understand that is the pseudo inverse. Okay. So the
Yes.
corrective wave can be two candles, can be three candles, can be four candles, because I know that I am in the downtrend, because buyers have no power. So this candle, how much have a power? This signal, they look at how market going down. So I know that the buyers have no power in the downtrend. So the sellers will help me, signal will help me, downtrend will help me. So how many things are helping me? All the signals will. If I'm taking only alone signal, look at alone signal is also working. Here alone signal also working. Here alone signal also working. So if I take the right of, area of the signal, then it will work. Look at now on the another opportunity. So when you see that after impulsive wave, that is a range, so don't take the trade. You know that range is a
Yes.
sign that trend will going to change in the another momentum. This trend will change into
Yes.
uptrend. So we must understand the wave concept. It's very important in the VSA, in the price action. And if we don't know about the waves, then you know we will lose the money. So here again I found a signal. Look at this one, pseudo inverse upthrust signal. Is that clear? Pseudo inverse
Yes.
upthrust, volume decreasing from previous two bars. So it's working here because I'm in the right place. I'm on the downtrend. So downtrend buyers are getting weak, and sellers are so much strong than the buyers. So
Yes.
always sellers will win, because the 50 moving average is my guard. So this 50 moving average is my guard, and always it will keep me aware about the trend. If the candle is crossing, so I can aware that maybe the trend is going to change. So 50 moving average is my guard.
Okay.
Okay.
Only 50 moving average is enough. No need to
Yes,
closing
yes.
point like that.
No, yes, that will be work for you. But the 50 moving average, all the high low are close, is showing the trend. So 50 moving average is what it's a confidence for traders, for us, that it's a confidence that we are believing on the 50 moving average that trend is in downtrend. So that is our confidence about the trend.
Okay.
So look at that
Okay.
is the upthrust signal. Now here I found the upthrust signal and how it's working good. Again pseudo inverse upthrust, how it's working good. So these two signals, if I get in the 20 minutes, so it's a good. But I must
Yes.
must understand the signal. So signal
Yes.
understanding is very important. If I'm not concentration on the signals only, I'm just taking the signals in a shape, in a volume, but I'm not looking at the trend. So that is my mistake. So I must first of all, when I choose the market, I will choose the trendy market. So trendy market will give me more opportunities as compared to the range market. So I'm not giving you any suggestion that you will take these signals in the range. So there are so many other signals we will take on the range, but only we will take these signals, reversal signals or continuation trend signals. So these are the continuation trend signals. Okay, these are not a reversal
Okay.
signals. These are the continuation trend signals.
Okay.
So reversal signal, in the uptrend, we will see that the sellers will goes down. So that is a
And
reversal.
I have yes, I have a question here.
Mm-hmm.
For example, it is impulsive move, correction move.
Hmm.
I got a pseudo signal, correct?
Yes.
And I have to take the immediately, or I have to wait for a confirmation to take a trade.
So this type of that is a strong signal. That is a strong signal,
Strong signal.
and you know that the trend is going to start. So trend have a momentum. The trend
Yes.
will show you the some strength. These strength and this strength will give you the comparison difference. So the
Okay.
sellers candles are very strong and buyers candles are very weak. So buyers are very weak. That's why they give us a weak signal that we cannot continue go with the sellers. So that is the market communication. The sellers and buyers, they are communicating with each other with the weak signals, weak points, weak shapes. They are
Okay.
communicating with each other. So we must understand, because we are buyer and seller. So we must understand these things. So when we are going to the market, when they are experienced person, they we found in the market how they are communicating with each other, we will never understand their communication because they are very experienced in the market. Okay, so if we are trading in this market, so we must be experienced. We must understand the buyers and sellers communication. So these signals are what communications? These are the communication signals. So here, this
Okay.
communication I got from the trend, and now how trend is going down. No one can stop this trend. Again, I got the two signals. If I found, so when I'm seeing that the seller's momentum is decreasing, when the sellers momentum is decreasing, it means now sellers are not interested. Only that was the move. And you know that when the market is in the 30 minute or in the 1 hour, is there is a consolidation, that only we 1 hour will we see the market is going down. So if that is the market and we are convert in the higher time frame, you will see that is the 1 hour candle. That's why.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And I have another question.
Yes, okay, I will answer you.
Uh,
So
okay. This is
this one, and I'm just
okay.
move on to
Okay.
1 hour. Look at,
Okay. Okay.
that will be the, look at, that will be the red candle, and then you see that is the green candle.
Yes.
So that is the main thing, that when we move to the chart into higher time frame, it will give us an idea that okay, yes, that is a signal to continue the market, and now for 1 hour market can goes down. Oh, that is the uptrend signal in the 1 hour. Okay, for the up for the 1 hour market can continue. So we can confirm from the higher time frame. So here there is a signal that sellers are getting weak, so buyers can continue for the 1 hour. So we can take the
Yeah.
see the opportunities in the 1 minute time frame. So here that is a trend is an uptrend, and now I'm going to the 1 minute time frame. So it shows me that yes, maybe the buyers will continue more. That is a seller's just restriction. Maybe buyers will continue more. We can same analysis on the price action we can take on the 1 hour chart. Okay, you can ask me question now.
Okay. I have to move that chart.
Yes, we was here I think, or not
Yes.
here. Yes.
Mm, yeah. Can you zoom it? Yeah. Here.
Yes.
For example, here I say the impulsive move,
Okay.
and maybe it was a abstract signal, and
Yes.
I have to first candle I have to trade, or I have to wait for
No, no,
three
no, no, no,
candles.
no, no. You must wait. Come. You have. You know that the uh, corrective wave have a 3 to 4 candles.
Okay, so I can't trade it. And
So
this is also candle, and
yes,
the indicator, sorry, which shows volume shows different, so we
yes,
can't take these
yes,
signals also, no?
yes. Why we are not taking these signals? Because we know at the previous web where the trend start, the wave is showing that is a level. Okay. So when candlestick reach to this level, you can trade from here. Okay. From here you can trade. From here on the
Uh,
support level, when the candlestick touches the support level or reach at the support level, then you can to trade resistance level.
okay,
That is resistance level. So when there is no resistance or resistance is far away, you wait for the 2 minute. When candlestick, these dummy candlestick will reach to the support level or resistance level, then new trend will start from here. Okay, if I just
okay,
add 50 moving average low, then you will see the candlestick taking rejection from the 50 moving average low. Look at, is it taking rejection from here? So that will be
Yes.
your confirmed trade. If you have a patience, you can wait for the 50 moving average. It will be good. If there is a round number, so that is good. A round number are extra strong resistance or support and are 50 moving average. It's up to you what you are taking, and that is a good confirmation. Now you can put, instead of $10, instead of $10, you can put $20, so that your entry will be good entry, because you know that there is a signal weakness. So that is a pre-weakness, pre-signal. VSA gave us a pre-signals. So pre-signal, it means you can aware, you can analyze. You have a 2 to 3 minutes, then you can analyze very clearly, then you can put money in the trade, so it will be winning trade. Okay, so these like a price action, that is not a signal like a price action, that when you are taking the signal, when morning star appear, you have no time to analyze on the 1 minute, so you must have to trade on the 1 minute, even either you will lose the trade. So you have a, yeah, in the VSA you have a time, so much time.
Yeah.
When you get a signal, you have a time, you wait for the your entry. When you get, so this signal appear that buyers are getting weak, and now wait for the resistance level. So resistance level will give you, oh yes, buyers again getting weak on the resistance level, that is a confirm you can go down. Okay, so but
Okay.
what you need here, you need patience, you need
Okay.
patience. So
Patience.
in this downtrend, look at, so that is a downtrend started. Do you see this signal working? This signal working? This signal working? So 1, 2, 3, 4, all the signals are working. So if you have a patience, all signals will work for you. If you don't have patience, why I'm not suggesting you in the uptrend? Uptrend because buyers have power. In the downtrend,
Yes.
buyers losing the power. So this will be your winning trade. If you achieve all the trades, your percentage will be 90.
Yes.
You can see it's all front of you. All the signals are front of you. All the signals are working because of
Okay.
you are selecting the right area for the trade.
Okay. Sometime I getting like this. This candle size, green candle,
Mm-hmm.
with like rejection. So I can take this as also uh, as a signal, right?
Yes,
This
also
candle.
that is a signal.
This
This type of also that is a signal for the red
in uptrend.
for the
Yes, in uptrend.
in uptrend, that is a signal. Okay, in
Okay.
uptrend that is a
Okay.
signal, but the probability of the winning is 70% in the uptrend.
Okay. The body is too much big because of that, right?
No, there is a rejection.
Okay.
There is also rejection in the candle. It's suggesting that the sellers have a more power. Okay, sellers have
Okay.
a more power. But
Okay.
where are you? You are in the uptrend. The more force is the uptrend buyer's force. So maybe the other buyer will help these buyers. There is a chances. So when when the market moving, it's not a game of one or two traders. That is a group of traders game. So group of
Okay.
traders when come together, the strength will create. So all the
Yes.
sellers, all the buyers will help to each other to create a strong trend. When they create a strong trend, then they will be profitable in the trade. So all the buyers are helping to each other. So if in the uptrend we are going in the direction of the uptrend, so other traders are not knowing us that we are who we are. We are just following the trend. All the trend traders are always profitable. So in the forex market, when the ranging market comes, they are very worried about the ranging market. They don't trade in the ranging market. Always trade in the trendy market. They know that we have
Yeah.
a weakness in the deposit money. So other trader will help us to create a trend. So
Yes.
yeah, so we must understand that we will only trade in the trend market. We don't select in the range
Okay.
market. Okay. So when we
Okay.
are
Uh,
when we are strategy about the ranging market, and we are very worried about the ranging market because the ranging market finding is very difficult. But now the trend market finding is very easy. So we have all the strategies in the trend market. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. And
And
which time
yes,
is good to trade? Which time is good to trade?
okay, I will tell you which time is good to trade. So when the London session starts, okay,
Okay,
after 1 hour of London session you can trade. Okay,
after 1 hour.
after one
Okay,
hour because in the start you will see the high volatility or low volatility because the sellers are buyers are getting the opportunities. Okay, they are.
and when I stop in London
Yes,
session,
yes. When there is a 1 hour
I
before,
mean
1 hour before the
1 hour before.
1 hour before
Yeah,
the
yeah.
New York session. Okay, so when you
Okay,
see that the on the 7 p.m. New York session is
okay,
opening, you stop the trading on the 6 p.m.
okay, okay,
Okay, so now the New York session is open, so you can start on the 8 p.m. So 2 hours gap.
okay,
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 6 to
okay,
8 you have to, it means like a 2 hours gap when this session is opening, and when this London session is going to close, before 1 hour you can stop the trading when it closed, before 1 hour.
okay,
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 when it closed, after 1 hour, after closing 1 hour, then again you will start in the New York session. So only 4 hours you have a gap. Okay,
yes,
to
yes,
this strategy, because I found so many times that when market is overlapping, my good entry points will be close in the loss because of the
mm-hmm.
overlapping of the market, because new buyers and sellers entered in the market and old buyers and sellers closed their entries in the market. So low high volatility, sometimes all the patterns are not working in the high volatility, sometimes working, sometimes not working. So I just avoid the trading in the overlapping of the sessions and start
Okay,
1 hour before. So Tokyo session is a good session, only you will find the range, not you will find the trend market in the Tokyo session, because buyers and sellers don't have so much strength. That's why you will find the ranging market in the Tokyo,
okay,
Japanese. Okay, so
okay,
if you are you have a strategy about the ranging market, so when the London session is closed and New York session is closed, the Tokyo session is open or Asia session is open, so you can place the trades ranging market. You will find almost all the pairs will be the ranging market, and IQ option only giving us 5 pairs in the ranging market in the morning here in the Pakistan. Only 5 pairs: Euro
okay,
USD, AUD USD, USD JPY, Euro JPY. So these and
okay,
JBB USD. So these pairs will be available in the Japanese Tokyo session, and other all 18 pairs will be available in the London and New York session.
okay,
So today we learn these two signals. Okay, these two signals.
okay.
Which one? The inverse upthrust and the
Invest down trust.
inverse downward. So we must now take the inverse downward signal in the example, that which is the inverse downward signal. So we are in the uptrend now. Okay,
Okay.
and in
And
uptrend.
if it better if you have some few trade screenshots so I can analyze that.
Okay, I have
So
so many screenshots. I think I have in my computer. Maybe there will be some
okay,
videos also. So I will
okay,
share with you. Okay, I will find,
okay,
I
okay.
collect all the, and I will share with you that these are the signals.
Yes, yes, sure. So
So
that
look,
then I can understand how I
yes, yes.
trade, which place I have to trade, so I can understand
So
better.
now look at, so that is a upthrust signal, a downthrust signal, pseudo downthrust in the uptrend. Is it working?
Yes, working.
Inverse downthrust signal, pseudo inverse downthrust signal. Is it working?
Yes.
So if you take the good market, then it will working.
Okay.
So that is all the game. The traders, they are doing mistakes when they are selecting wrong market. Okay, so
And
wrong
here
market. Mhm.
this signal is not working because
Here,
uh,
why?
because
Because
yes.
support is here. Support is here.
Okay.
There is no other support. Do you find any other support which is created here?
No.
So support is here, the wave support. Okay, not a single support, wave support. Which is wave support? Is that wave support? Even you trade here after closing the support, you can trade here. Look at it's going up.
Yes.
So the
Yes.
support is very important.
And the previous signals, how there was a support, right?
Yes, yes,
The previous you show me two
yes, yes,
signals.
yes, yes. They have a support.
Uh,
Look at
okay, here,
it's near to the 50
here.
EMA, and also look at here, and it's near to the 50 EMA, and there is anomaly with 3 candles because there is a new uptrend. Okay, new uptrend forming here, and in the previous you will see there is a
Am I no need to wait?
yeah. Look at what is that?
That,
What is that? That is a support level. Okay, so there are so many touches of the support level.
okay.
So that is a support level. Support,
Oh
support,
yeah.
support, support, resistance, support. So it's a good support. Okay, and again we
Okay.
found here that is a support level. Morning, evening star, you know that evening star, this upper
Yes.
wick and lower
Yes.
wick is a support resistance level.
Yes. I know.
So that this signal is where is close on the support level. So you can take signal. Okay.
And this one. Wait, wait. Can you
This
move
one,
to that chart?
this one,
Yes. Yes. This one. Okay. And this one.
this one.
Yeah. This one. I marked this one.
So when you take this signal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you are here now. Okay. So
Okay.
you are here
And I
now.
can take
You
this
cannot take.
signal.
It's also a pseudo down thrust signal. Okay. So pseudo down
Okay.
thrust signal, and there is a support level also. Do you know which is support level? That is the evening star candle. Look at.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
this candle is closing on the evening star support level, right on the evening star support level.
Okay. Okay.
So you,
And yeah.
so what is the game?
Mm-hmm.
I tell you, the signal finding is not difficult. The trading is
Yeah.
not difficult. What is difficult
Yes.
here?
Support.
What we thinking when we are coming into market, when there is no guidance, always we are thinking, I have $100. If I lose $100, then what will be after? So when this thinking always hit our all the emotions, all the behavior. So with this
Yes.
fear, we are not analyzing the right signal. Our mind is not working. So
Yes.
your mind must be working. When your mind must
Yes.
be working, you totally uh, uh, empty your mind from all the worries. Okay, no worries.
Yes.
If you ever if you book the last, you do nothing. You will do nothing. If the loss is happen, then it will be happen. Okay, you just will be free from all the worries. Then you will find the good entry points. So what is the
Okay.
I will give you one detailed brief about the how to overcome the fear and how to overcome the emotions in the trading.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so that will be help you when you are trading. So that is the main biggest issue for the traders, each and every traders. All the traders are good in the price action, are good in the support and resistance, everywhere concept they are knowing. But what's the thing? They are earning in the demo account, but when they turn account into real account, they will be failed because
Yes.
they they feel the pain of the loss before happening the loss.
Yes.
It
That's
still,
true because
yes,
it's happening to me also. I know all the things about price action. I know sometimes I guide most people. So, but still, I don't know why I'm losing.
yes.
In the
That is
demo
what.
account, I
That
making
is
money.
why, because we are feeling the pain before happening loss. Before happening loss. So first, still loss is not happening, but we are feeling the pain. So this pain is affecting our emotions. Emotion is what? Our behavior, our thinking. So this is affecting our behavior, our thinking. So we are, so you know that when you are taking on the trades on the demo account, how many times you are thinking? Only one time. Only one time you are
Yes.
thinking when you are taking the trades on the demo account. The
Yes.
first mind approach, when first mind give you suggestion that this trade will be closed in the green bar, so you are taking the signal and that bar is closing in the green. But when you are taking
Yes.
the real trades, the first mind give you it will close in the green bar, and again on the same time again mind will say you no, it will close in the red bar, and you are taking the decision on the second time when the mind give you response. So always on the real account, many traders they are taking the decision, the second decision of the mind. So second decision always be the wrong decision. So
Yes.
that is the main thing. So when first time mind say you, you can take the trade, take the risk, it will be your profit trade, it will be your winning trade. So always mind give us a right positive response on the first time. The second time the mind will give us a negative response. So always we are following the second response. So second response is our issue in the trading. Only the first response what mind give you, because you are analyzing the first thing which you analyze, that is your experience. So it will be
Yes.
good. Okay, so this is the main big topic on emotions and fear, that how we can control and how we can manage the money. So if there is a pain before happening the loss, so I can overcome this pain. How? I have $100, I decide and I make a rule. Only I can $10 lose and only I can $20 win. So before going to the trading, I feel that this $10 I don't have in my account. I lost this
Okay.
$10 because before going to the trading, I decide myself, I promise myself I will take only $10 risk reward ratio.
Okay.
That is a risk and that is a reward. Okay, so always risk reward will be like that, not like that. That will be, our account will be decrease, not increase. So if I lose $10, I will leave the market for today or for this session. And
Okay.
if I won 20, even $5 or even $10, even any amount of the dollars, if I win, and I must uh, uh, promise myself only 5 trades I will do.
Yes.
Even I lose, I win, only 5 trades I will take in this session, not more than 5, not less than 5. Okay, so
Okay.
and the main thing is that some traders they are thinking that we can earn money if we understand the signals. We can put $1,000 here, that we can earn $1,000 in the one trade. Yes, we can win, but it will not come in this stage. We are still beginner. We are not a professionals like a big, because they have a backbone. We don't have a backbone. We are only taking the $100 risk because we have only this pocket money. There is no backbone. If you have a $20,000 in your bank account, then you can invest $500 on per trade because you have a backbone. But if you have
Yes.
only $100 for your saving and you are thinking that I can place a $50 trade, so you have only two opportunities. So two
Yes.
opportunities, it will fail you. So we are just to take the right decision. That is the main thing, because mindset of the trader is most important than the signals, than the market. So mindset is very good. So if you give this application to the any kid, any child, and just to give him understanding that only when the time closing on the 31 you press a higher option, and when time closing 31 you can press a lower option. At the end, after hour, you will see his result will be 50%. Okay, there is no
Yes.
analysis. The kid result will be 50%. Maybe
Yes.
it will increase 70%, maybe sometime decrease 30%, 40%. So if our result is same, then it means we are kid still. We are not thinking with our mind. So what is we need? We need MM. So MM is the important thing. Money management. What is money management? In the money management, you will see the time management also. You will see the rules also. You will see the strategies also. All the things are in combined into money management system. Management is what? The management is a tool in which you designed your all the rules, all the strategies, and you will put effort on these all the rules. So this plan is very necessary for the trader. If the trader don't have a plan, at the end you will see he will close in the loss. So that is very important. That is study. That is study. The study is not important so much. The is very important. This is 80% important. The emotions also come into When you have a the emotion will not affect you because already you decided how much I can lose, how much I can win. So these things are very important. I have a money management system. In the start, if you want to work on that money management system, that is a system like a risk reward ratio, and also it's a little bit compounding system. So that is a very good money management system. I will give you understanding that how we
Okay.
can use that one. So when you have a some $3,000 to $4,000 in your account, then you take more risk. But
Okay.
first you struggle for that. So
Okay.
okay, we are finding the signal now. Now we are fall into downtrend. Again, we are waiting for the uptrend. So uptrend, we will take the signal. Okay, only uptrend. For the red bar signal, only in the uptrend. Then it will give us a winning ratio. Okay, no problem. In the 1 hour, only we are taking the 5 signals. No problem. But all the signals are winning signals. So that is our confidence. Okay.
Yes.
So that is our confidence. So look at this signal I found here. Okay, that is the inverse signal. Okay, this inverse signal appear here, and the another support level is here. That is the round number. So the round number, I'm taking the signal for the 5 minute. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm in the winning trade. If I'm taking the 3 minute, still I'm in a winning. Okay. So
Whatever
these,
happen, I have to wait for a support level in the uptrend, right?
yes.
If I
So
see a signal.
yes. Every time support and resistance is very important because that is a study. So before we don't know which support will work or which support will not work, or which resistance
Okay.
will work, which resistance will not work. When we see the VSA weak signal, now we are 100% confirmed this support will be working.
Mhm.
So that is the idea. So that if the VSA signal you will find weakness signal in this wave, you find this support 100% will work. If there is no weakness in this trend, this support will be broken. This support will
Yeah.
be broken because there is
Okay.
momentum. So the study of the momentum what shows? If the momentum is losing, the trend will change the direction. If the momentum is increasing, it will break all the walls. It will break all the support and resistance.
Yes.
So that is the main thing. There are so many things. That's why we are confusing. So we must all the things we will uh, uh, take step by step. That will be good for us. Look at that is a
Okay.
signal pseudo inverse down thrust signal. And after this signal, I look at this. I know that this inverted hammer is what shows this one and this inverted hammer and this inverted hammer. What shows? It's a support level. As a price action trader, we know that that is a support and resistance level. So now the candles are above this lines. That is a support. That is a color change support also. So after this signal, I can take signal for 5 minutes how market is moving in up direction. So at the live market, our mind why not working? Because we have a hurriness. We are thinking, oh, I passed 1 hour, still there is no signal. Still, I only did not trade only even one trade. So our emotion will hit us. Oh, now take the trade, now take the trade, now take the trade. So in the compulsion, we will take the trade, and that will be our big mistake. So if there is no trade, sometimes when I'm not satisfied with the market or not satisfied with myself that my mind is not working, I'm not trading. Even for 1 day, for 2 days, for 3 days. It's not necessary that all the days for me. Maybe there is only 1 day in the weekend, in the whole week, only there is a 1 day for me that I can make so much money. Maybe there are 2 days in my weekly plan. So it's not necessary that every day I can win, every day I can lose. No. So when you think that you are totally fresh, then you can take the trades. So that will be your winning trades. So that is all about the mindset. That is all about the mindset. So that is a counseling, the binary option trading counseling. So we know all the price action concept, but there is no counseling for traders. That's why the traders are getting they are always close in the loss. So why do you see that is a how much that is a importance of the counseling, and there is no study for the counseling
Yeah.
because that is the game of the market makers. If all the common traders get counseling course, that they all will be the profitable. So how the big fishes will earn the money? Do you understand? So that
Yeah.
is the main thing. And all the concepts are common in the market. Each and every concept you will find in the market, but counseling, no one giving you counseling. That is the main thing. The counseling is very important.
Yeah.
So these are the things I get from my own experience. I will never get from anyone. Just I watch the videos and I study so much. Yes, this all the effect, all the thinking comes when I teaching in the university level. So on the university level, when the teachers, my professors teach me that how we can teach the students and how we can read the mind of the students, how we can check the level of the students. So these things come from there. So 7 years I'm teaching on the university level, college level. So that's the way that I'm teaching here.
Okay.
So look at the, again, I found a signal like a inverted hammer, inverse up thrust, inverse down thrust signal. So that is a sign that I can go with the bias because you know that bias are very powerful in the uptrend. So my little mistake will be covered in the uptrend. So that is total signals. So you must cover now these
But
signals because I don't want to burden on you that you take all the signals on the one day. So these signals are very important, and always you will find in the market this one and this one and
and I can take this color changing setup also support level, no?
yes, color changing also a support level. Yes, because you know
Okay.
that in the uptrend support is working 110% and resistance is working only 70%. Okay,
Okay.
that is a down thrust, inverse down thrust signals, and these are the up thrust and inverse up thrust signals. These type of signals you will find in the market.
Any slide for that candles up thrust and down thrust?
Yes, I will show you. I will send you.
Okay. And a
Uh,
few trades so I can
yeah,
get some
okay.
ideas and
The trades I will send you by tomorrow or in the late
okay.
night. Okay, but sheet I'm
Okay.
going to send you.
Okay.
Sheet I'm going to send you. These are the signals. Only which signals I teach you, only you take those signals. Okay,
Yes, 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 yes.
because there are so many signals in this sheet. So which signals I teach you, only you take those signals.
Okay.
And
I have to take a tick, right?
that is a high resolution pic. You can print also. Okay, you can print
Okay.
also, and you can use for your understanding because sometimes we forget the setups. So it's very good resolution pictures.
Okay.
So look at in these signals. So that is a down thrust, also volume showing, and also the bars are also showing. So when I make this sheet is a trade sheet. Okay, how you can use? Look at when you have a down thrust signal. Okay,
Okay.
then if you got the down thrust signal and you take the signal, if you one tick mark, again you
Okay.
one tick mark, you lose the signal, cross, cross. So when the signal 10 will complete, you will see how much your winning ratio in the down thrust. Is there still
Okay.
need to clear the signals or not? Is there is no need to clear the signals? It means their signals are perfect signals for you. that you are understanding. So that is a sheet that you can improve the VSA course, and if there is confusion, then you can ask me, because now there is no result. We don't see any results because we are not recording the results. So recording of the result is very important. So that's why I
Yes.
create this sheet, that you can,
Okay. Okay.
there how many times the downthrust signals appear in the day, 10 time or 3 time or 4 time or 5 time, which signal is appearing again and again, then you can concentrate on those type of signals. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so brother, I'm going to send you this video and practice on it.
Okay.
Tomorrow we will again connect.
Okay. Okay. And pseudo invested signals also same alternative the like previous yesterday.
Yes, yes.
Sorry.
The pseudo concept is the same concept, like a 2 bar
Mhm.
volume is high and the signal bar is low from previous 2 bars.
Okay. Okay. And the pseudo inverse.
Okay, inverse. Okay, yes.
Okay. Okay. So I learned 8 signals right now.
Yes, 8 signals, but there are different shapes. So it's I think more signals from the 8. There are shapes are changing, but you can count how many signals. Maybe there are more than 40 signals. We will cover all the signals slowly,
Oh,
slowly. Okay.
okay. Okay. And it is better the candle shape. Do you have any for images for the candle shape?
Triangle shapes are inside this image. If you
Okay. Okay.
all the shapes are inside in this volume, and also this volume and the shape is inside in this picture. You can recognize with the name also this shape. All the signals are
Okay.
written in this. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Right. Thank you. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
brother. Thank you.